Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable browser tools in Google Antigravity. So if you don't know about browser tools, then browser tools or the browser use are a suite of capabilities that allow AI agents to independently open, read, and control a Chrome browser. This integration enables the agent to interact with your running application or external websites to perform tasks like UI testing, web research, and visual verification. So, this makes it a very important feature that you should enable, especially if you are working with your anti gravity agent on external tools. So, let me show you how you can do this. So to do this, simply click onto the settings gear icon just below your profile picture, and from here click onto the second option, which is open anti-gravity user settings. Now onto this page, click onto the browser tab over the left hand side, and at the first within the general you will see enable browser tools. When enabled, agents can use browser tools to open URLs, read web pages, and interact with browser content. This allows the agent access to important and often critical knowledge and methods of validation, but any browser integration does increase exposure to external malicious parties for security exploits. If you wish to enable, simply click onto this toggle and your browser tools will be successfully enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.